As a Deakin staff member, you're a part of a 3,300 strong team. And collectively, we have the ability to make a positive impact on our communities. Introducing Deakin's Workplace Giving Program, the most cost-effective and easy way to make a difference while you work. The program is simple. Employees make regular donations direct to nominated causes. And it's all done through Deakin's payroll system. Contributions are deducted from your pre-tax salary, so your withheld tax is automatically adjusted. You receive the tax deduction immediately. Employees may nominate to give any amount, no matter how big or small. It all adds up, and together we can make a real difference. Put it this way, if all Deakin staff donated just the cost of a coffee per week, we could collectively contribute more than $517,000 per year to the initiatives that matter most to us. One of Deakin's key goals is supporting our students to have access to education, regardless of financial or socio-economic barriers. Did you know that 1 in 5 full-time low SES students report they regularly go without food? By supporting student scholarships through Deakin's Change 100 Lives initiative, you can change a life today. Giving through your pre-tax salary means that it costs you less, but the charity still receives the full donation. If you give $10 fortnightly, it only costs you $7, but the cause receives the full $10. Every cent goes to the charity. There is no administrative charge. Workplace giving is a win-win for employees and the causes that matter most to us. Register today online or speak to your friendly advancement office. Workplace giving. Make a difference while you work.